Okay, hi. I'm sorry I have not been making videos. It is because my camera wasn't working, so I just got a new one. So I'm going to show you what I'm wearing to church because it's Christmas Eve. If you don't celebrate, happy holidays. If you do, Merry Christmas. And this is what I am wearing. I am very... camera's light really bad right now. That's what I'm wearing. The green dress, if you could see that, with these boots, black boots, and a black sweatshirt. Well, kind of like a dressy sweatshirt. And then it's back up. And then this light is really bad. Okay. Blue bracelet that my friend got for me for Christmas. These earrings. They're like hoop shaped. And this friend's necklace, and my all-time favorite necklace, my dolphin necklace. So I will record and these black boots. Record when I'm all dressed. So stay tuned.